let me quickly show you how to download WhatsApp on your desktop without using the Microsoft Store. Now, yeah, here's a few quick step. Now, you have to visit this website. You can see the website whatsappdesktopuptown.com. So you're going to scroll down. Once it's open, you're going to scroll down. You click on latest, get latest version. So you scroll down. So just hold on, it's loading. Now you click on download. Now you can see it's downloading. It's downloading to our system. So once the download is completed, we'll be able to install it on our laptop. So that's it. So let me just wait. Once the download is completed, you can install. Now you can see the download is completed. So let's install this. Now let me go to the folder. So you can see the file we just downloaded. So let's click on this now. You can see I already have WhatsApp installed on my laptop. So I just want to quickly show you a quick way you can install WhatsApp on your laptop without Microsoft Store. So that's it. So once I click reinstall, you can see it will just reinstall the WhatsApp on my laptop. So I can eventually click launch. So that's it. It's quite easy, and do have a nice day. Thanks.